Alright, customer state, the car will not start. Let's find out.
Check battery connection first. Make sure no corrosion. If so, clean it with wire brush if needed. Make sure all the fuse is good. Charge the battery, make sure is in good charge before we start it again. Test starter and signal. Make sure getting good connection.
Alright, go ahead, crank it. Turn it up. Crank it. Again. Again. Oh. What do you think?
It's dead.
Yep. Alternator been replaced. Brand new alternator. New belt.
Split charge.
Yeah.
And it started up. I mean,
Starter failed test. Starter solenoid is sticking. Ray test after new. Starter just replace. Vehicles test pass. Just a bad starter.